Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we will be showing you 6 exercises that will help fix a tight chest. Coming up. 1 arm standing stretch. Stand tall with a wall at your left. Place your arm on the wall while extending it past your back. Twist your torso towards the right side to stretch your chest and arm. Hold this stretch for 30 to 60 seconds. Don't stand too near or too far from the wall. Don't forget to warm up before stretching. Switch sides. Coming up. Chest out, hands behind. Stand tall with your back straight and feet shoulder width apart. Take your hands behind your hips and clasp your fingers while keeping your palms up. Raise your arms backward as maximum as you can. Maintain this stretch for a few seconds. Keep your back straight and avoid leaning forward or backward. Don't fold your arms. Coming up. Chest stretch with exercise ball. Get down on all 4 with a straight back while keeping your hands right under the shoulders and your knees above the hips. Raise one of your arms outward with a bent elbow and place it on an exercise ball. Lower your chest towards the floor by folding your other arm. Return to the initial position and repeat as it comes near the floor. Switch sides. Coming up. Bent arm chest stretch. Stand tall with a wall at your left. Place your left hand on the wall while bending your arm. Twist your torso towards the right side to stretch your chest and arm. Hold this stretch for 30 to 60 seconds. Don't stand too far from the wall. Don't forget to warm up before stretching. Switch sides. Coming up. Backpack stretch. Stand tall 3 to 4 feet from an inclined bench or a chair and place your hands on it by leaning forward and extending your arms overhead. Stretch your back by lowering your chest towards the floor. Maintain this stretch for a suitable duration. Keep your arms straight and don't bend your elbows. Keep your legs straight and avoid bending your knees. Coming up. Above head chest stretch. Stand tall with your back straight and feet shoulder width apart. Bring your index fingers and thumbs together over your head while bending your arms. Open your elbows and take them back to put a stretch on your chest. Hold for some seconds and relax. Keep your back straight and avoid slouching. Avoid bending your neck and keep it in a neutral position. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe as it helps us grow the channel.